Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to download and install Monkey Video Chat randomly on your smartphone. So you can download and install in two ways. The first of, you can go to Google Chrome or any browser, then search Monkey Video Chat, or you can come here like Google Play Store, or you can go to App Store if you use iPhone, then search here Monkey video chat, it's enough. Then you will find here, you can see the Monkey random video chat. Basically you can chat with people, you can go lively video call and make friends with globally. So simply tap on the install button and it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.